Hi guys, today we have so much to do, so she's gonna show us her skincare.
So we're doing the packaging right now for the night serum for Constance 30. Yo, I mean, I'm 30 now. I can't believe I'm 30, and I actually achieved something that I've always wanted to achieve, which was to feel better and look younger at 30 than I did when I was in my early 20s. I realized something about skincare is that what you do before you turn 30 totally determines how your skin will look after you turn 30, because you lose collagen. Coming back to you. Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies, I just wanna know the truth. Do or die, is it me or is it you? You can say I haven't tried to cross this great divide. Your feelings come and go, but I still love you so. There is nothing I won't do to make this dream come true. Darling, you can walk away, but I keep coming back to you. So this is all moringa based. I mean, there's other ingredients as well, but it is primarily moringa based, and I'm moringa obsessed. Everybody knows that. I use it on my skin. I take it as my multivitamin, and the company that formulated most of the products that are in this range, they pretty much only do moringa products. So everything is moringa based, and they use different parts of the moringa plant. So they use the oil, the seeds, the pods, the leaves, and stuff like that.
The price is worth it.
And the price is worth it because it costs a lot more to be ugly.
But how do you use the powder?
You could obviously like sprinkle it over your food just to have it, because you want to taste it if you do a little amount. But I just take a full teaspoon, I put it in hot water, mix it, and I chug it. It's disgusting, but it's like the best thing for you. Even my dad was diabetic for like, well, he's still diabetic, but for many years he managed his diabetes by taking moringa, only moringa. Really in love with this. It started off with the cleanser, but I just can't go a day without this. Like I can go without everything else, but this